You're missing the leads staring you right in your face. Your future customers are in the pages that you browse every day, on event listings, member directories, communities that are behind login walls, paywalls, captcha walls, so they're not easily accessible from tools, enrichment tools like Clay. But with Retriever, you can just open the extension on any web page and just prompt to scrape these leads, enrich them with their LinkedIn profile details, get their emails, contact info, send them connection requests, and email outbound. So I can just prompt Retriever. Retriever wrote a script, and it's getting all of the contact infos, LinkedIn profile information, all at once. So Retriever did the first step of enriching the profiles with their LinkedIn information and emails, and it will rank. It ranked the candidates and gave them personalized outbound. Now we have a Gmail MCP server. You can just one click add, and Retriever can send emails via API. So I can just ask to finish the loop of for everybody who score of 8 and above, send a connection request, personalize the intro to Retriever, and the outbound commences. So Retriever knows that only to do one LinkedIn tab at a time to avoid bot detection. And yeah, so we can circle back when all the connection requests are done.